crammed onto this plate. It looks a bit like truck stop food.
Oh no, okay.
The pudding brief was challenging. I've gone for baklava with honeyed figs and beetroot and chocolate ice cream. It was something I thought was different.
Now, I've had chocolate and beetroot cake before.
OK.
But I've never had chocolate and beetroot ice cream.
It tastes good. I've tried it. I've tried it 2, 3, 4 times just to be sure because I thought it was a risk. I thought it was different, but I went with it.
You're halfway. You are halfway. What are you making, Sarah?
Chai tea and cardamom crêpe souffle with a black peppercorn and pineapple puree and some bitter chocolate sauce.
Wow. What's a crêpe souffle?
So you take your crepes, you put the souffle mixture in the middle and you fold them over, and then when they rise they should open, kind of like a fan, hopefully.
I think that sounds magical and delightful.
It's very simple though in terms of presentation, so I'm a bit nervous about that.
Crepes can be difficult, and again, soufflés are just nightmarish in general. I'm probably completely crazy for doing one.
Overworked, massively overworked.
Our four have travelled all around the world to get to these desserts. There ain't nothing boring, there ain't a crumble and custard. This is a good round.
What's the matter?
I overwhipped my egg whites, so it would have gone horribly wrong, so better just to do it again. 8 minutes to get the soufflés in and make a chocolate sauce. It's gonna be tough.
You've got just 5 minutes. You've only got 5 minutes left. Please, start to plate up. Stop. Time's up. Thank you. Well done. Sarah, bring your pud up, please.
Sarah's dessert is cardamom and chai tea crêpe souffle with a pineapple and black peppercorn puree and chocolate sauce.
It's crammed onto this plate. It looks a bit like truck stop food.
Oh no, okay.
Well, it certainly tastes better than it looks, by a long way. I mean, you've got some really lovely flavours there. Actually, I think the blend of the bitter chocolate and the sweet pineapple and the souffle all works better than I thought it would. It's just a bit of a mess.
Yeah.
I like the souffle, I don't like the pineapple, but we all agree it's a bit of a mess on a plate.
Yeah.
It looks awful, but it tastes really good. Somehow or another, Sarah, you have got cardamom, chai tea, pineapple, peppercorns and chocolate sauce to work as a flavour sensation. I am absolutely amazed.
I'm annoyed because I really like that dish and I just feel like I let it down a bit by not having enough time to plate up properly. And I'm just worried that if it doesn't look like I'm learning, then it's probably not a very good thing.
Finally, it's Simon. He's made baklava flavoured with figs, pistachios, walnuts and rosewater, with a honeyed fig and a beetroot and chocolate ice cream.
You have presented another spectacular looking dish.
I really, really like the baklava. It's not the sticky, shiny, tooth-rotting traditional version, but it is really gorgeous, and it's exactly what I hoped I would be eating when I said fruits and spice and all things nice.
Your beetroot and chocolate ice cream, how do I put this? I don't like it at all.
these flavours don't work for me. Okay. Doesn't stop you being a good cook. It does make you sometimes a bit of an unusual one.
Yeah, from time to time. I see that. Disappointed. I knew the ice cream was a risk, but I went with it thinking it could go one way or the other, and it went the way I didn't want it to go.